What's up? Welcome back. My sign name. Today we're learning if deaf people read lips or not, or what. So I read lips pretty well. When I was younger, I didn't always have hearing aids. I have hearing aids in both ears. So I kind of focused on reading lips, and I gotten really good at it. But not all deaf people do read lips. Some do, some don't. It's actually pretty hard to understand people's mouth formations, like accents for me, super hard because your lips and everything are different. But also, not all deaf people are born deaf. When you get older, you can be deaf, or something like an accident or something happens, and you just don't have that skill. It is a skill, but yeah, don't rely on deaf people reading your lips because definitely not all do.